Hello students, here we are discussing about uh, measurements of sound level. You know that human ear, human ear can listen extremely very small intensity of sound and extremely large intensity of sound also. Extremely small intensity of sound it means so just human ear can listen extremely there are extremely small sound, small intensity, small intensity sound and extremely large intensity sound. Small intensity of sound is 0 decibel and large intensity of sound is what? 100 decibel. Small intensity of sound is what? 0 decibel and large intensity of sound is what? 100 decibel. So the measurement of sound is measured. It is measured in a decibel, which is denoted by dB. It's a dB. So decibel is 1/10 of bell. Bell is it's on the honor of Alexander Graham Bell. So Alexander Graham Bell. So it is on the honor of Alexander Graham Bell is taken. So that is decibel. Next one, measurements of sounds. Measurement of sound level is comparison of intensities of two sounds. Intensities of two sounds means what? If you take about the intensities of two sound levels are one is I1, next one is I2. One is taken as reference intensity level. It's a reference intensity level, either I1 or I2. Next one, so we can discuss for the average intensity level for the human ear, which is a threshold intensity level, that is average intensity level I0 is equals to 10 to the power of minus 12 watt per square meter. So what is the measurement of sound level? The sound level is denoted by beta. Beta is equals to 10 times logarithm log base 10. The ratio of intensities of two sound levels. The ratio of intensities of two sound levels. I0 is what? Reference intensity level. This is reference intensity. Reference intensity, so it's what? 10 to the power of minus 12 watt per square meter is compared with I. So this is the relation is level of sound, that is measurement of sound level. In the measurement of sound level, we can compare intensities of two sound levels. It's a comparison of sound levels. Sound levels, I'm choosing that there are two sound levels, I1, and the intensities of two sounds are I1 and I2. Okay. So, and reference is what? Reference sound level is what? I0. First one, sound level for due to I1 with respect to I0 beta 1 in decibel is equals to 10 log I1 by I0 base 10. Beta 2 is equals to 10 log I2 by I0. So I need to compare them. For the comparison of this, beta 2 minus beta 1 is equals to 10 common. Okay, it's a log. So first one is I2 by I0 minus 10, 10 is common. It's a log I1 by I0. So while applying the logarithmic principle, 10 log I2 by I1. Okay, so this is what beta 1 minus beta 2 minus beta 1, the difference between two sound levels.